Solving system of equations by graphing. First, you graph both lines, and point of the intersection of the lines is the solution. So we have to solve x minus y equals to 3 and x plus y equals to 5. So I'm going to graph x minus y equals to 3 in green. So since x and y are on the same side of the equal sign, I'm going to graph this by using intercepts method. So y-intercept is when x is equal to 0, and x-intercept is when y is equal to 0. So I'm gonna plug in x equals to 0 into equation. So we have 0 minus y equals to 3, negative y equals to 3, out of negative 1, out of negative 1. So positive y equals to negative 3. And so for the other one, I'm going to plug in y equals to 0. So we have x minus 0 equals to 3. So x is equal to 3. So the two intercepts points are when x is 0, this is origin, x, y. When x is 0, y is negative 3. And the other one is when y is 0, x is positive 3. So here's my first line. I'm going to graph x plus y equals to 5 in orange. So once again, I'm going to do intercepts. Y-intercept happens when x is equal to 0, and x-intercept happens when y is equal to 0. So I'm going to plug in x equals to 0 into equation. So 0 plus y equals to 5. That's first point. And I'm going to plug in 0 instead of y for the second one. So we have x plus 0 equals to 5, so x is also equal to 5. We have 2 points, 0, 5 and 5, 0. So here we go. When x is 0, y is 5. And the other one, when x is 5, y is 0. So once you have both points graphed, the point of intersection is your solution, and it looks like x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1 is our answer. Let's do one more. Solve for x plus y equals to 5 and 3x minus 2y equals to 12. I'm going to graph first line 4x plus y equals to 5 by slope-intercept form. So I need to solve for y. So y is equal to negative 4x plus 5. This is negative 4 out of 1. Starting point is y equals to 5. This is my y-intercept. I'm going to go 1 unit to the right, and since 4 is negative, we're going to go 4 units down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's our second point. So that's our first line. And the second line I'm going to graph in orange, and we have 3x minus 2y equals to 12. And this one I'm going to do by intercept. So we have 0 and 0 here. So for y-intercept, we're going to plug in 0 instead of x. So we have 3 times 0 minus 2y equals to 12. That's a 0. So negative 2y equals to 12. Out of negative 2, out of negative 2, y is equal to negative 6. So that's our first point. And the second point, we're going to plug in 0 instead of y. So we have 3x minus 2 times 0 equals to 12. That's a 0. So we have 3x equals to 12 out of 3. out of 3, x is equal to 4. The second point is 4, 0. So when x is 0, y is negative 6. And when y is 0, x is 4. So that's the 2 points I needed. Let's graph the line. So the point of intersection is our solution. And it seems like the x value is 2 and y value is negative 3. So 2, negative 3 is our solution. That's all.